look at the route from Sandhills Platform 1 to Kirkdale Depot. The position light signal below platform starting signal Mike Lima 55 is cleared, providing a route towards the depot. Immediately beyond the platform is an advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 35 miles per hour at the junction ahead. The second advanced warning indicator, indicating a speed of 25 miles per hour, is applicable to the Southport line only. This is Sandhills Junction, maximum speed 35 miles per hour. We are approaching an advance warning indicator indicating a speed restriction of 15 miles per hour ahead. Maximum speed now 15 miles per hour. This is Kirkdale South Junction. We are now entering Kirkdale Depot. Ahead is a section gap. All trains must stop and await the shunter's instructions.